bila shaka
Asante bro. Very fine, thank you. It's a very good day today. It's Mashujaa Day. We are all shujaas in our own rights. We come here to celebrate and to also enjoy our diversity. All the way from the farthest part of this country, people have flocked here in numbers to really enjoy and see our diversity, even as we celebrate our heroes, our national heroes that made us get to this level. Yeah.
What are your expectations today as the president addresses the nation from God?
Very basic. To celebrate the legends that live within us, the legends that have helped or rather touched the lives of others in one way or another. In the yesteryears, we used to celebrate those people who fought for independence. But there is post-independence. The post-independent are people who've really worked so hard to put the Kenyan flag on the map, flying very high. And that is, the athletes of this world, or this country, the football legends, the political legends, and even great leaders, that have really done a lot of things in this country, in the recent past especially, in different sectors. Yeah.
But in a political transition of some sorts, you know what you did in the National Assembly and what the Senate did. What would be your message to Kenyans?
I hope that even the president will celebrate the heroes that have fought for the independence of our independent institutions like the National Assembly. That heroic act of the Honorable Mtuse and the 117 members that signed, of 184 members that signed, and then the 282 that voted to eject the deputy president. Those are heroes. Like, we have come of age to stand for the Constitution. That at this point in age, a sitting deputy president can be impeached? Really? Then that is a great milestone for our constitution. We should actually be honored as heroes, because now it's a good milestone. A sitting deputy president being discussed in the floor of the House. And we also thank the president. He didn't interfere with that process. He did not call us. He did not instruct any member on what to do, because he appreciates the fact that we are independent. And I think Parliament as a whole, both the National Assembly and the Senate, should be celebrated. Yes.
Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa Osoro, and happy Mashujaa Day. We continue with the live coverage of the Mashujaa Day celebrations from the VIP entrance. Interestingly, the conversation around the deputy presidency is a conversation that really must come out clear really here at the Kwale Stadium. Of course, we've seen Mwagadi is actually the first female commanding officer for the parade that is happening today, and that's a first instance for the country. And of course, we'll continue grabbing several interviews. You can bring the Honorable Osoro here as you address one of them. Is still sister station, so you can go ahead.